Stuffed zucchini flowers are a classic appetizer from Italian culinary tradition, particularly from central southern regions like Lazio and Campania. Delicate and fragrant, zucchini flowers are filled with a creamy mixture of ricotta and parmesan, then either battered or baked until golden. This dish celebrates the genuineness and simplicity of seasonal ingredients. Ingredients: 12 fresh zucchini flowers, 250 grams of fresh ricotta, 100 grams of 00 flour, 50 grams of grated parmesan cheese, 150 milliliters of ice-cold sparkling water, 1 egg, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, nutmeg, optional, fresh herbs, parsley or basil, optional. Preparation: start by gently cleaning the zucchini flowers. Remove the internal pistil and briefly rinse them under cold water. Pat them dry with a kitchen towel. In a bowl, mix the ricotta with the grated parmesan, egg, a pinch of salt, pepper, and nutmeg if you like. You can also add finely chopped fresh herbs like parsley or basil to give the filling an extra hint of freshness. Fill each zucchini flower with a spoonful of the ricotta mixture using a teaspoon or a piping bag to facilitate the operation. Be careful not to overfill them and gently close the petals by twisting them slightly. If you prefer baking the stuffed zucchini flowers, place them in a slightly oiled baking tray and also brush the surface of the flowers with a little olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until the flowers are lightly golden. If you prefer the battered version, prepare the batter by mixing the flour with the sparkling water and a pinch of salt until you obtain a smooth and homogeneous mixture. Dip each stuffed zucchini flower into the batter and fry in plenty of hot oil until golden and crispy. Drain the flowers on absorbent paper to remove the excess oil. Serve the stuffed zucchini flowers hot, perhaps accompanied by a fresh salad or a light tomato sauce. Curiosities: zucchini flowers are a very versatile ingredient in the kitchen, used in numerous Italian recipes, from fritters to risottos. Their season runs from spring to early autumn. For a tasty variation, you can add pieces of mozzarella or anchovy to the filling.